Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make sushi decoration step by step. Begin by washing rice and seasoning it gently with vinegar and sugar, then cool it to room temperature. Slice vegetables thinly and use a sharp knife for clean edges. Keep small bowls of water and a damp cloth nearby to shape rice easily. Plan your designs before assembling so each roll looks neat and intentional for serving. In this video, I will show how to make sushi decoration step by step. Start with simple garnishes like cucumber ribbons and avocado slices arranged neatly on top of rolls. Use small cutters or a sharp paring knife to craft flower shapes from carrots or radish. Sprinkle sesame seeds and microgreens for a professional finish. Keep designs balanced and avoid overcrowding, so each bite remains flavorful and visually appealing to guests. In this video, I will show how to make sushi decoration step by step. For advanced designs, thinly slice fish to form rosettes or fold into ribbons for elegant toppers. Use nori stencils and toasted sesame to stamp patterns onto rice gently. Experiment with colored rice layers by mixing a small amount of beet or spinach juice for visual contrast. Practice placements on a plate to perfect balance and presentation before serving.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.